Hi, I posted a video sharing some of what I learned in Yemen when I was covering the Houthi takeover in January. I've been following your comments and questions. One, by Shouting Ship, asks if Yemen would even have the necessary skilled administration if a popular government was established. Here's the thing, many Yemenis I spoke to said they don't really know what it's like to have a government that's working for the people. There's a great deal of distrust of leaders in Yemen. It's a result of many years of broken government in a frail state without real institutions. Former President Ali Abdullah Saleh, who was ousted in the Arab Spring Revolution of 2011, maintained power for about 30 years, essentially by keeping everyone else weak. At one point, he allied himself with Sunni Islamists. Then, to offset their power, he supported the Zaydi Shiite Houthis. When the Houthis grew stronger, his armies fought them. Even after he was ousted, Saleh continued to exert influence through old alliances and tribal connections. And little changed under President Hadi. People I met in January, after he resigned, often said, well, the government never really did anything anyway. Yemen is the poorest country in the Arab world. It relies on aid, and the government has maintained low expectations. Haid Kar asked why I reported on the Houthis as if most people had not heard of them. Many people who come to our work come with different levels of interest and knowledge. Most people I know who had not been following Yemen closely for the last few years had not heard of the Houthis until the recent advance on the Yemeni capital. I think the challenge for reporters in the field is to talk to a wide audience that doesn't always agree on complex or even simple issues. Hussein Ahmed said the Houthis represent more than 40% of the population, to which Adam responded, it's actually more like 4%. We should be clear. The Houthis come from the Zaydi sect of Shiite Islam, but not all Zaydis support the Houthi movement. There are no up-to-date figures, but the Zaydis are about 40 or 45% of the Yemeni population. The Houthis, who have taken a more radical course than the traditional Zaydi doctrine, are much smaller. Yemenis will tell you that the Zaydis and the Sunnis have coexisted for many years, and that today's sectarian divisions are relatively new and driven by local and regional politics. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave comments. I want to hear what you have to say.